Hi, my name is Gulam and I am from South City. I'm your instructor. I am here to teach you content development using HTML. Today our topic is HTML headings. What is HTML headings? HTML headings are titles or subtitles that you want to display on a web page. There are 6 types of heading tags in HTML. HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading and H6 defines the least important heading. Now let's move forward to our next slide. In this slide I saw you that there are 6 types of heading tags in HTML. There are most important heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 and least important heading 6. Now on next slide I show the code of that 6 types of headings. You can see H1 starting and ending tag, content is heading 1, H2 starting and ending tag, heading 2, H3 starting and ending tag, H4 starting and ending tag and content heading 4, H5 starting and ending tag and content is heading 5, H6 starting and ending tag and content is heading 6. Now let's go to our editor and type these HTML tags inside our editor. For this we first had to open Notepad, create new file, new, save as, like HTML paragraph and headings dot HTML. Inside our folder learn HTML and press the button save. After that I will type some basic necessary tags, doc type HTML. After that we have HTML with starting and closing tag. Inside HTML we have head tag, inside head tag we have title tag, headings and paragraphs tutorial. After head tag we have body tag, inside body we can now type all type of headings for displaying their result on browser. This is heading 1. After that H2 with starting and closing card tag. This is heading 2. After that we have H3 with starting and closing tag, and inside this we have, this is heading 3. After that we have H4 inside H4 we have this is heading 4. After that we have H5 with starting and closing tag. This is heading 5. After that we have H6 with starting and closing tag. This is heading 6. For indentation I will use tab button of keyboard like that. For more readability, now let's see the result of these 6 tags on our browser. HTML paragraph and heading, open with the Chrome. Now you can see the most important heading, and further at the bottom we have least important heading. So in this way you can use different types of heading as your requirement in your websites for giving different titles and subtitles. Now I move back again to our slides, and what is our next topic? Our next topic is paragraphs. What is paragraph? A paragraph is always start on new line and it is usually a text. Paragraph start with new line and text would be displayed inside the P tag. The HTML P, alphabet P elements defines a paragraph. Example is given below, like this is a paragraph, this is another paragraph. We go to our Notepad++ editor and type here P tag for showing result of P tag. What is result of P tag? This is a heading. Save the file, refresh our browser. Now you can see we have a text. This is a heading. This is a heading. This is a not heading. This is a paragraph. Paragraph. Save the file, refresh our browser again. Now we have text. This is a paragraph. You can see difference between heading and a paragraph. Heading text is by default is bolded and paragraph text is not bolded. Now again go back to our slides and absorb next thing, which is horizontal rules. What is horizontal rule? The HR alphabets empty tag is used to separate content in an HTML. I show an example below, but better understanding we type code of horizontal rule in our Notepad++ editor. If you type HR, it is empty tag, no content, no end tag. Save and change see the output in your browser by refreshing. You can see HR is used for line if you draw a line after anything, you can use HR tag. If I placed HR here like that, and see the result, you can see after 3 headings 1 line is placed because of this tag, that is HR, horizontal rule. Now what is our next tag? For this we go to our slide. Next tag is line breaks. We have already studied about that tag in our previous tutorials, but in this tutorial we will study this in detail. The BR empty tag is used to display content in on new line in HTML page. For example, this is a paragraph with line breaks, and there are 2 BR tags are displayed inside P tag, and this is also a empty tags. For better understanding, we will type code inside our notepad editor file. So for this I will type some text here. This is a paragraph with some dummy data and some headings also. So now we use BR tag here and here, and save our file and go to our browser for seeing output of this code. You can see this paragraph is splits into 3 lines. This is a paragraph with some text, data and some heading also. Now you can absorb the best understanding of BR tag. Now move forward. What is next? Next tag is pretag. The HTML pretag defines pre-formatted text. The text inside a pre-element is displayed in a fixed width, and it preserves both spaces and line breaks. For better understanding, we would type some code inside our editor. For this I will go to my HTML editor, that is Notepad++, and type here pretag and paste some text here, like my name is Ghulam Mustafa, my father name is Shabir Hussain, I have completed masters in computer science. Now I am teaching in a public school. Programming is my hobby, and I love to program. Now let's see output of this text. Save the file, go to your browser, refresh your browser, you can see it gets all the spaces from left side and also from top and also from right side. I used nothing like BR after this Ghulam Mustafa or Shabir Hussain or computer science or school or program, but the text display one line and another line is displayed in new line. It comes because of pretag. So this is the use of pretag. If you want to display text same as you type in your browser, same width, same spacings and paddings, so you can use pretag. So now move forward to our slide and saw the last slide, that is assignment for you. In this slide I prepared assignment for students for better understanding of concepts. If the students follow this video properly, they would answer these questions easily. And you should type this video concepts in Notepad++ editor and saw their output in browser. Just like me, I typed all the concepts in the Notepad++ editor. Here you can also create new file, check your different tag results by typing the tags inside this editor. By typing in this editor, you also remember the tags and you would understand betterly if you practice this all things that I am teaching you. So try to work hard, try to do all the assignments that I given to you. And one thing you notice that in every tutorial I typed code from starting point like doc type HTML, because I should practice this for you. If you typed complete HTML code in every file you practiced, you would remember the alt tags and also you would better understand the alt tags. So I will meet you in next tutorial. Take care.